Searching images for our video requires some settings that you can get to once you select images. You may have to do a search first and then click on images, but let's say we're looking for a picture of a koala. Once we do that search, we can change the settings under Advanced Search Settings to make sure that we get good pictures for our video. There's some changes that we need to make. First of all, image size. Nice big pictures larger than 8 megapixels are really a good starting point. If you have difficulty finding exactly what you need, you can try again at 6 megapixels or even down to 4, but you won't get as big a picture that way. We also really want wide pictures. Square and tall just won't work as well for making a widescreen video. Last thing is the format. I really want you to have JPEG files because we're going to be keeping the image address in the comments field, and only JPEGs really have that. Once you do that, you can do an advanced search. If you close this tab, you'll have to reset those search settings. So it's better to change what it is you're searching for than to close and reopen. As you can see, I have a number of pictures of koalas, and when I pick one that I think might work well, I can click on it. This is not the actual image. This is still a thumbnail representing a big picture on the internet. It took a moment, if you noticed, to it to become nice and clear. That's a good sign. That means when I right-click on the image, I can actually open the image in a new tab. By the way, stay away from these. These no longer have the search settings applied, so these could represent much smaller pictures than what we're looking for. When I switch to that tab, you will see that I have a magnifying glass with a plus on it. If that's not there, that's a good sign that your picture isn't big enough. When you click on the koala and you look at the 100% view and you can see very sharp detail in the focused part of the picture, it's going to make for a very good part of your video. Here's what you do to save it. You right-click and copy the image address. Then you right-click again and save the image as to your project folder. By default, you may be somewhere else, like downloads. Some people have been going to pictures, but everything for this project needs to be inside the project folder. Otherwise, it's not being backed up every day. If you want to, you can rename this by just putting a number in front of it based on your outline. If this is the 8th image that you needed from your outline, just do that. There's one more thing that we need to do in order for this to be complete. We're going to go here to where the picture is found in my project folder. You'll notice that I have the details pane open so I can access the comments field. This is where the address is going to go. Since I already have these visible, it makes it really easy to tell, oh, this is the one that still needs the image address. There's another video that will show you how to make the comments and dimensions visible so that you know if you're doing it right. Here in the comments field, we right-click and paste the image address. It should start with HTTP and then go down to a JPEG of some sort. When you click Save, it puts it in the comments field and you've got a picture you can use in your video. If you do not have the comments field, or it is not big enough, the images must be deleted and you have to find them again.